আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ক্লাস 8 ইংলিশ নিয়ে আমরা আজকে আলোচনা করব অ্যান্সার সলিউশন। এখানে লিসেন ফর এ ম্যান হু লাভস ট্রিজ। এখানে কোশ্চিনটা দেওয়া আছে, প্রশ্নটা কার্তিক প্রামাণিক ইজ অ্যান ইন্সপাইরেশন ফর আস, ডু ইউ এগ্রি? হোয়াই অবলিক হোয়াই নট? অ্যান্সার: ইয়েস, আই এগ্রি, কার্তিক প্রামাণিক ইজ অ্যান ইন্সপাইরেশন ফর আস। The reason of this thinking is given below. The tree plantation is very important for us. Every moment we take oxygen from the tree. Without trees, we cannot live. If the number of trees are decreasing day by day, it will be difficult to live as a human being. We depend on trees not only for oxygen but also we need trees for many more purposes like food, cloth, house, paper, etc. And in this lesson we see that Kartik Pramanik is a tree lover and his passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. He started planting trees when he was only 10 years old and still continues to plant trees. Though thousands of obstacles stood in front of him, he did not stop planting trees as he is an arborist and trees are most important to us. So it can be said that he is an inspiration for us. Lesson 7: The Truthful Doves Theory. Why do you think that the title is appropriate for the story The Truthful Dove? Answer: the reason for thinking is that the title is appropriate for the story The Truthful Dove is given below. In the story we see that the dove and the bat were two friends. For certain reasons they took shelter to an owl. The bat was greedy, so he started to praise owl falsely for eating more food. Actually, the owl was not good for praise, but the dove was not greedy. He was honest and truthful. He did not praise the owl falsely. He knew if he did not praise the owl, he would be punished for still had told the truth. He never praised the owl. For this, he punished but never told a lie. So we say that title is appropriate for the story. Lesson 4: River Gypsies in Bangladesh. Imagine there is a boat school in your area to teach river gypsy children. Write a paragraph about how you can help the children Swiss learning. Answer: helping the gypsy children with learning. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bedi in Bangladesh. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another by boat. The gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional school. They do not have appropriate trees to learn. We can help the gypsy children to learn. In every point where they travel, we can make a camp for their learning. We can also make an organization where Some